In this video, I demonstrate how to put analog bird flight data into 3ds Max. Once you've gathered flight path data from the field, start by drawing splines. Make sure to use a smooth Bezier curve for the best results. In this clip, I'm translating the red horizontal lines into top view of my 3ds Max file. Make sure to number each line so you can match it up with its vertical component after. Once you finish adding all of the red lines into top view, navigate to one of the side views that works best and start adjusting each spline by its vertex to mimic the black lines in your field data. After adjusting each spline vertically, you should have a three-dimensional version of your field data that you can either analyze or animate.